This drink is gonna be yummy.
And you know we have our favorites. This one is the Mai Tai.
Okay, let's get started. First, grab your shaker with ice.
This is when we'll be mixing in all the good stuff.
Pour in your dark rum and light rum.
Add triple sec and grenadine.
And last, your lime juice and orgeat syrup. Okay, Jamie, would you like to do the honors?
Sure.
All right, you know how I love how you shake it, but I'm thirsty.
Okay, just pour the Mai Tai into your favorite glass with ice.
And continue partying!